Hello everyone, my name is Sai Naik and my topic name is Superfluid Critical SFC. Definition: a supercritical fluid chromatography is a material that can be either liquid or gas used in state above critical temperature or critical pressure where gases or liquid can coexist. Principle of SFC principles are similar to those of high performance liquid chromatography. However, SFC typically utilizes carbon dioxide as the mobile phase. Therefore, the entire chromatographic flow path must be pressurized because the supercritical phase represents a state in which liquid and gas properties converge. Supercritical fluid chromatography is sometimes called convergence chromatography. Instrumentation: there are eight sources. First is stationary phase, second is mobile phase, third is pumps, fourth one is injectors, fifth one is ovens, sixth one is columns, seventh is detectors, and eighth is recorder. First one is stationary phase. Both pack and open tubular columns are used. Pack columns can provide more theoretical plates and handle large volume than open tubular columns because of low viscosity of supercritical media. The column length is 10 to 20 meter and the diameter is 50 to 100 common in open tubular columns. For difficult separation, columns 60 large have been used. Pack column usually made up to stainless steel 10 to 25 centimeter. More than 1 lakh plates have been achieved in plain column. Many of column coating used in LC have been applied to SFC as well as typically there are polysiloxane chemically bounded wards of capillary tubing. Second one is mobile phase. There are a number of possible fluids which may be used in SFC as the mobile phase. Mostly CO2 is used. The main disadvantage of carbon dioxide is its inability to elute very polar or ionic compounds. This can be overcome by adding a small portion of a second fluid called modified fluid. The addition of the modified fluids improves the solvating ability of the supercritical fluid and sometimes enhances selectivity of the separation. Pumps flow controlling is the vital function of pumping system. In contrast to HPLC, pumping systems pressure rather than a flow control is necessary and pulseless operation is more important. In general, type of high pressure pump used in super crude critical fluid is determined by column type. For packed columns, for easier blending of mobile phase or introduction of modifier fluids, reciprocating pumps are generally used. For capillary supercritical fluid syringe pumps are most commonly employed. Reciprocating pumps allow easier mixing of mobile phase or introduction of modifier fluids. Syringe pumps provide consistent pressure for neat mobile phase. Then injectors. In capillary SFC, small samples should be quickly injected into the column and so pneumatically driven valves are used. For pack SFC, a typical injection valve is commonly used. Oven, a thermostatic column oven is required for precise temperature control of the mobile phase. Conventional GC or LC ovens are usually used. Columns: two types of analytical columns are used in SFC, that is pack and capillary. Pack columns contain small deactivated substances to which the stationary phase adheres. These are conventionally stainless steel. Capillary columns are open tubular columns made to fuse silica which have small internal diameter. Detectors: flame ionization detectors and flame photometry detector. Liquid phase detectors like refractive indicator, ultraviolet visible spectrophotometric detectors, and light scattering detectors have been employed for SFC. Advantages of SFC: SFC is emerging as a separation technique that is superior to both gas chromatography and liquid chromatography. For analysis of thermal liable or non-volatile compounds, low viscosity, lower operating temperature, high diffusion coefficient, high resolution at lower temperature. Disadvantages: SFC is pressure operating conditions. High pressure vessels are expensive and bulky. Maintaining pressure in SFC is difficult. Supercritical fluids are highly compressible and their physical properties change with pressure. Cleaning will be time consuming. Applications of SFC: SFC is used in industry primarily for separation of chiral molecules. SFC now commonly used for chiral separation and purification in the pharmaceutical industry. SFC technique has been applied to wide variety of materials including natural products, drugs, food, and polymers, etc. Reference. Thank you.